If you're experiencing a login failure on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check network connection. Ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. If there are issues, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Double-check your account username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct login information for your PlayStation Network account. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 4. Reset password. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password. Visit the PlayStation website or use the PS5's account management options to initiate a password reset. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide additional solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, seeking professional help is recommended.